In order to mount the UP3K devices, you can purchase various mounting brackets. This bracket here has the ability to mount on a strut, so it has screws in the top and the bottom, as well as mounting holes on each side to hold the device itself. So in this example, the UP3K would be mounted on the bracket like this. The bracket also has VESA mount holes, as well as RAM mount holes for a RAM mount bracket. What we have here is a similar bracket. The difference is that this bracket has a side plate which may be useful for mounting a barcode scanner or similar tools. This particular bracket has been mounted using the VESA mount holes. We supply both Phillips and socket head screw kits with these wax nuts, so no need for lock washers. On the other side, we have an example with the RAM mount version of the bracket. This RAM mount allows you to adjust the angle of the device. When mounted to a VESA bracket, that feature is unnecessary. However, it is well suited if you're mounting the device to a wall or strut. Our bracket would go using the RAM mount holes, and this version allows the operator to move the box in whichever angles they need to complete the task.